What's up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome to the Rocking and Reading Auditorium for another sound adventure. Today, we need to find the iconic hip-hop sound before the big show. You will help me out, won't you? Great! Let's rock! We're rocking and reading with Mizz KT. Okay, so what do I need to do? Find the star sound, do a sound check, check the lights.
Kid.
Did you hear that?
Kid.
I heard it again. It sounded like kid. And did I hear our star sound in there? Ugh, I don't know. Oh, can you help me break the word down? Yeah? Okay, we can use our rocking fingers to do it. For the first sound, use your thumb. Then your pointer finger. Then your tall finger. Like you're rocking out on a piano. Thumb, pointer, tall. Great job! Okay, so I heard 3 sounds. I think I heard k, I, d. Let's try it together with our rocking fingers and break it on down. Let's go! Break it on down, break it on down. Come on, rock stars, let's break it on down. Break it on down, break it on down. Come on, rock stars, let's break it on down. Kid, kid, 3 sounds, let's break it on down. K, I, d, k, I, d.
Kit.
Huh? What was that?
Kit.
Oh, wow! Is that the same word that we heard before? No, you're right. I heard kit, not kid. Kit. It's a different word. I still hear 3 sounds, though. I think I hear k, I, t. Oh, instead of d, I hear t. Nice. Let's keep rocking out with our rocking fingers. Ready? Kit. Kit. 3 sounds. Let's break it on down. K, I, t. K, I, t. Oh, yeah. Break it on down. Break it on down. Come on, rock stars. Let's break it on down. Break it on down. Break it on down. Come on, rock stars. Let's break it on down. Yeah. I think I heard the star sound in there. Oh, no. But which one is it? The star sound. What sound does it make? What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I want to know. What sound does it make? I heard it. Did you hear it? It's like itch. Now help me out and let's sing it. Itch. 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 What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I want to know. What sound does it make? What sound does it make? Did you hear footsteps? Maybe that's our star sound. Let's listen. That's it. That's our star sound. Can you make the same sound? Incredible. Do you see I? I don't see I either. Hey, maybe it's behind the DJ stand. Oh, man. I don't see I back here. What should we do now? Maybe we should hear some words from our sound sponsor. Today's sound adventure is brought to you by the sound I.
Wow, that's a cool drawing. What are you drawing with? Oh, this? This is just my itty-bitty inkalizer. An itty-bitty inkalizer? Cool. What can it draw? More like, what can't it draw? I can draw insects. Cool! Insects! Yeah, and look at my cool iguana. Wow! What about an itch? Can you draw an itch? Well, I guess you could, but like how? How would you draw an itch? Because that's not really a thing. What do you mean? I itch the instep of my foot. I draw nouns like iguanas and insects, not really verbs like itch.
Itty bitty inkalizer. Get yours today.
What do you mean you can't draw verbs? Just draw an iguana itching.
Ability to draw not included.
Please note, this is not a real advertisement.
Did you hear that? Some footsteps from the other side of the stage. Maybe they'll be able to help us. Come on. Hello? Anyone? What's that? I heard a sound. Is it our star sound? No, you're right. It's a different sound. Sounds like key. Oh, yeah! You try. Key. Key. D. I hear a sound. Is it our star sound? No. Is it the other sound we've just met? No, it's a different sound, isn't it? It sounds like dog. Oh, yeah! You try too. Dog. Dog. All the letter sounds are together. Whenever music artists come together to make new music, it's called collaboration. Maybe that's what they're doing. Yeah! Let's listen. Id. Kid. 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 Hey, you're a kid. Do you know any other kids? I hear something. Is it our star sound or our other collaborators? No, it sounds like toy. Toy. Yeah! Let's all do it together. Ready? Toy. Toy. Oh, I wonder how will collaborate. Oh!
It.
Kit. Kit. Kid. Kit. Kid. Kit. A drum kit. A group of rock drums together is called a kit. Can you pretend to play the drums? Oh, amazing! Our star sound makes such incredible words with its friends. Ooh, I think I hear our star sound and its friends about to rehearse Is Hit song. Come here. Let's put our ears to the door to get a sneak preview. Did you hear that? It sounds frustrated.
eh, 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 eh. Tim had a stick, a sticky stick, stick that did a flip, a flippy flip, flip. But then his stick, a sticky stick, stick, made his kid rip, a rippy rip, rip, a rippy rip, 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 rip. The stick made his kid a rip, rip, rip. Eh, 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 eh. Tim did pick, a picky pick, pick, a tip and fixed it, fix it, fix, fix. And now Tim grins, a greedy grin, grin. His kid sounds sick, sicky, sick, sick. Eh, 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 eh.
Oh, that was poppin'! Oh, I wonder why sounded so frustrated. What do you think? Could be. Yes, we should ask why is frustrated. Come on, let's open the door and ask. Oh, where did they all go? I guess we'll have to keep looking for them. Now that you've heard our star sound and its friends, what are you thinking?
I think of insects, but they're too creepy.
That was a great thought. Hey, what are you thinking? Oh, yeah? Wow, I've never thought of that before. Message us next time to be featured with your thoughts on our sound adventure. There's a link below in the description. Come back for our video journey so that we can all actually see our star sound, Until next time, keep on rocking and keep on reading.
We're rocking and reading with Mizz KT.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rocking and reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.